Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and in my personal opinion, there is nothing better than receiving a personalized card in the mail, or even sending one to someone you love. But sometimes we just get busy and we forget to get those greeting cards. Problem solved with this ultimate set of 110 different occasion greeting cards from Dessie. What I love about this set is there is a card for every situation included in this box. I love that all of the greeting cards come organized inside this nice and sturdy box. Each different occasion is easily labeled so you can go right to the section that you're looking for. And I love how on each occasion divider, if you pull it out, you can actually see the specific greeting cards that are in the box for you. So maybe one of the cards jumps out at you for a specific person. The cards themselves are very nicely made. I love that they allow you to just share a nice heartfelt message no matter what the occasion that you're sending it for. Sometimes we just don't know what to say in a card, but what's awesome about these Dessie set is 100 of the cards include beautiful, relevant messages to the occasion. There's also some that are left blank, so if you're wonderful with words, you can include your own message in those too. This set does come with a wide variety of colorful envelopes as well as a beautiful gold seal that allows me to close up my cards in style. I love that I won't have to worry about going to the store searching for a greeting card. With this set from Dessie, I have a card on hand for all occasions. And that's my point of view.